Idaho's first news, top stories, and your Weather Authority forecast. This is Rise and Shine.
We're back, 6:54. It is a Monday. It's close to 7. You know what that means? It's time to geek out with Mr. Owen Robbins from KRRS Systems.
Morning, Nicholas.
I salute you, sir. Did you have a good 4th?
I had a wonderful 4th with my son. I hear you went camping up to Alturas Lake.
That's right. Yeah.
Right on.
Good times were had by all, yeah. All right, so let's jump right into it here. Windows 8 recently came out, and you weren't a huge fan. So Windows is trying to maybe improve on Windows 8 with Windows 8.1, which is coming out in October.
It wasn't that I wasn't a real fan. It was okay for the consumer that had enough cash to go out and buy the expensive hardware, you know, for touch, because it's very touch-centric and so forth, and get used to the fact that there is no start button.
Right, yeah.
And
a lot of buttons were hidden from what I remember.
Right, we actually did an episode on, you know, where on earth is the start button. But Windows 8.1 is going to be released in the autumn. There's not an exact date, but we're thinking, you know, along the October lines, the same as when Windows 8 was released. And what Microsoft is doing is they're changing the release schedule. It used to be every 3 years, you get a couple service packs in between and so forth, but now they've accelerated this, and they're just revving up new versions each year, just like Apple with the OS. Now this 8.1, interesting, for those people that went out and bought Windows 8, you get it for free.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
that's good.
It's absolutely free. And you can also try it out now. So if you went to Microsoft.com/en-us/Windows-8 preview, you can download it.
Okay.
And there's a lot of major features. One of the major ones, dun-da-da-da, dun-da-da-da, there's a start button.
Hey, there you go. That's always good news.
But they're not going to call it the start button. They're going to call that PC settings.
Okay.
And under PC settings will be your Wi-Fi, your display, your power management. Really, really, really quick. Another major improvement in Windows 8.1 is search. When you would go up to the top, you grab your sprite over here, and you go up to the top, what you would end up getting, you know, and you hit search, all you can search for is your apps. Now search is unified. Okay. It'll search your SkyDrive, it'll search the internet, it will search all the files on your computer. Oh, wow. Like the old search.
Okay, all right.
So there's once again, a major improvement. Another thing that they're introducing is the ability to run different tile apps right beside each other. Oh, cool, cool. Yeah, and if you have multiple displays, you can run 2, 3, 4 apps right in the tiles, because you know the tiles are live. You know, you've got your weather, you know, ranking, you got your internet ranking, you got your stock ticker ranking over there. Really, really cool. Another thing they're allowing,
we've got about 30 seconds.
Another thing they're allowing is sizable on your tiles for your apps, and it's very easy to manipulate and move them now. It used to just be such a chore, and once you get one just laid, the other one would boom. It would move someplace else. All right. And so there's
a lot of upgrades.
Anyway, there's a preview out there. A caveat is if you have Windows 8 now and you bring it down, remember it's a beta, you'll have to reinstall all your apps when you go to the full version, which for you would be free.
Okay. Thank you so much, Owen. We appreciate it. 8.1 coming soon. We will be right back right after this.